Hi, my loves. So today we're going to start off with review. You don't need anything right now at all. I have two shapes with me. I want you to tell me what shape this is. This is a circle. How many sides does it have? 0. And how many angles? 0. You got it. I'm going to stick it up here. There's a magnet on the back. I know that's hard to see because it's white on white, but you can still see it. And what shape is this? Yeah, this is a square. How many sides? Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4. And remember, mathematicians use a fancy word for corner. They use the word angles. How many angles does a square have? Yeah, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And something about a square is every side is the same. You got it. I have a new shape to introduce to you today. Here's this little guy. We're going to put him up on our math meeting board. He's so cute, isn't he? Do you know what shape this is? If you don't know, this is a triangle. Say triangle. Good. Say triangle. Good. Tri means 3. 3 angles. Triangle. 3 angle. Let's count how many angles, how many corners. Ready? Go. 1, 2, 3. It does has 3 angles. How many sides does a triangle have? Count with me. Ready? Go. 1, 2, 3. 3 sides, 3 angles is a triangle. Boys and girls, you need to know something. Not every triangle is going to look just like this. But if it has 3 sides and 3 angles, it's a triangle. Let me show you. This point right here is in the middle, right? But sometimes a triangle might look like this. Is that still a triangle? Well, I don't know. Let's count. I said it has how many sides? 3. Let's count. 1, 2, 3. Yep. I said it has how many angles? 3. Let's count. 1, 2, 3. That is a triangle. Yeah. What if I make it like this? What if I put it upside down? Is that still a triangle? Yes, it is. It's funny. Some years I have kids when I go like this. What is this? A triangle. And I go, is it still a triangle now? And they say, no. Excuse me. Yeah, it doesn't matter which way you turn it, it is still a triangle because it still has 3 sides and 3 angles. Look, even if I turn it upside down, it still is a triangle. Count with me. Ready? The sides, go. 1, 2, 3. How many angles? Count with me. Ready? I'm going to circle them. Go. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, so it doesn't matter what the shape looks like. If it has 3 sides and 3 angles, it's a triangle. And it doesn't matter if it's upside down or crooked. It doesn't matter. It is still a triangle. So we're going to play a little game. Are you ready? I'm going to take these off. I have lots of shapes here. If you were here, I would pass these all out and you would each get one. And you would have to come up here and put your shapes on one of 2 places. If you have a triangle, you would put it over here, under this triangle. If you did not have a triangle, no. I'm going to write the word no. Make a sad face. No, these are not triangles. You put them on this side. So, we're going to play the game, but you're just going to watch me, and you get to tell me for every shape instead of you having your own. So, are you ready? Here is the first shape. I have this one. This is a circle. Good. Can I put it here? Is this a triangle? Does it have 3 sides, 3 angles? No. No, not a triangle. How about this one? Is this a triangle? I don't know. Let's count. Does it have 3 sides, 3 angles? Let's count. 1, 2, 3. Let's count the angles, the corners. Ready? Go. 1, 2, 3. Is it a triangle? So can I put it over here? Yeah. I know this one's hard to see because it's white, but it's there. You can kind of see it. Are you ready? Let's do this one. Is this a triangle? Well, I don't know. Let's count. Should have 3 sides. Ready? Set. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's 4. So No, let's count how many angles. 1, 2, 3, 4. So can I put this one over here by the triangles? I gotta put it over here by, no, not a triangle. Do you know what shape that is? We haven't learned about it yet. That's a rectangle. Can you say rectangle? Has 2 long sides, 2 short ones. All right. What is this? Is this a triangle? I don't know. Let's count. Should have how many sides? 3. Ready? Count with me. Ready? Set. Go. 1, 2, 3. Let's count the angles. Ready? Go. 1, 2, 3. Where am I going to put it? Over here. Oh. Is this a triangle? Is it a triangle now? Yep. Is it a triangle now? Yep. How about now? How about now? How about now? Yeah. Doesn't matter which way you turn it. It's always a triangle. Believe me, I have children that tell me no. No, that's not a triangle, Mrs. Birch. Yes, it is. Doesn't matter if I turn it, put it on my head. Doesn't matter. It's still a triangle. All right. What is this? Is this a triangle? No, this is a square. You know this one. How many sides? 4. How many angles? 4. Now, a rectangle has 4 sides and 4 angles, but look, a square, remember all the sides are the same, and a rectangle is 2 long ones, 2 short sides. So can I put this by the triangles? No, it's gotta go over here. All right, here you go. You got a few more shapes here. Look at this bad boy. Woo! What is this? Let's see if it's a triangle. Let's count how many sides. Ready, set, go. 1, 2, 3. Let's count how many angles. 1, 2, 3. Where can I put it? Right here. This is a triangle. It's a triangle now. It's a triangle now. Don't let me trick you. It still has, I'm not changing how many sides it has, right? So yes, it is still a triangle. Awesome. What is this? Woo! Yeah, this is a square. This is a square and this is a square. This one is just really, really big, but all the sides are the same. How many sides does it have? 4. How many angles? 4. Where am I going to put this one? Triangle or? No, not a triangle. No, not a triangle. Good. And I have one left. Here it is. What is this? Yeah, this is a triangle. Count the sides with me. Ready, set, go. 1, 2, 3. Count the angles with me. 1, 2, 3. I'm going to put this one over here. Let's count how many shapes we have on each side. Let's do the triangles first. Count with me. Ready? Go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Should we count this one? 5. I'm going to write 5. Oh, remember yesterday how I said not to push so hard with your marker because the tip goes in? One of my 5Kers last year used my marker. Do you see that? It's all pushed in. Almost doesn't write. Let's count how many no triangles shapes we have. Ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Who has the most? Triangles or not the triangles? Which number is bigger? 5 is bigger. When you are 5 now in 5K, you're bigger than you were when you were 4, right? Yeah, so 5 wins. All right, my loves, I'm going to take these down. What I need you to do is take out your packet, your pencil, and your crayons. You need a pencil like this, not a colored pencil. So I'm going to take these down. You're getting out your packet and your pencil and your crayons. Pencil, packet, crayons is what you need. This little guy's going to go over for, oh, he almost tried to get away from me. He's going to go over to math meeting. All right. Today is Tuesday. I showed you all about Abraham. How to color lightly, not darkly. Darkly, is that a word? You're going to turn to the next page. I know, silly Mrs. Barch, you can say that. That's okay. You're going to turn to 13A. I'm going to do this one with you, my sweets, all right? So let me get up my big one for you so that you can follow along and see so easily. And there is a little magnet hiding behind there. The first thing we always do on our papers is we write our names. So I have a little phrase that I say, it goes like this: write your name at the top and then stop. So you don't want to start working it right away. You want to wait for the directions. So write your name at the top and then stop. You're going to write very neatly. All of your letters sit on that line. Park your pencil. All right, it says we need to trace this number. Do you know what number that is? Yesterday we did the number 11. What number does a 1 and a 2 make? Do you know? 10, 11, 12. You're going to trace these two 12s and then park your pencil. Are you going to do these? No. Trace these two, park your pencil. Go. Make sure when you trace, you stay right on those lines. Just like when your mommy drives, your daddy drives, your granny drives, every adult drives, they should be keeping their car on the road. Your pencil is the car, is staying on the road of these numbers and tracing so neatly. Then park it, I said. You're using your regular pencil. It says to write the number 12 2 more times. Now, look at the numbers. Only one of them gets a chocolate chip. Which one goes with the chocolate chip? Yeah, the number 1. So you're going to write your 1 and then your 2. This chocolate chip is for another number 1. Okay, ready? Go. If your 2 does not go all the way down to the bottom, I want you to erase it and do it again. Park your pencil. I want you to point to the last number 12. This is my left hand, so this is where first is. The last one is here. You're pointing to it. Take your pencil. You're going to draw a line in between the 1 and the 2. You can keep your pencil in your hand. Which number is in the tens place? How many 10s are there? The 1 or the 2? Which one's in the tens place? The 1 is in the tens place. There is one full 10. 10 starts with the letter T, so we're going to write a T. Which number's in the ones place? The 2, you got it. So we need to write an O up there because when you write the word 1, it starts with an O. So you were going to write an O. Park your pencil. It says trace each side of the triangle with a different color crayon. I want you to take out these 3 colors: red, green, blue. I'll tell you one more time: red, green, blue. Take those colors out. Go. Do you notice how quiet I am when I take them out? That's what you're going to be like at school. Nobody's going to be talking. Everybody's going to take them out quietly. Red, green, blue. I want you to put them on the table. It says trace each side of the triangle with a different color crayon. I had you take out 3 colors because a triangle has how many sides? 3. I want you to take your red first. What you're going to do, this works better with a crayon than a colored pencil. I want you to trace this bottom line with your red. All you do is you just stay right on that bottom line. This is hard for you to see. I'm going to use my marker. You're using your crayon. I'll be able to see it in the video. There we go. Then I want you to take your green crayon. I'm using a marker so you can see. Take your green crayon. I want you to trace this line over here on the left with your green. Then I want you to take your blue. You're going to trace this 3rd line with your blue. Stay on it, okay? This is tricky. Be very slow and careful. Awesome. What I would like you to do now is very quietly at your house, put put your colors away. Put them back in your box or your pencil box or whatever you're using. And you need your pencil. It says, how many sides does a triangle have? Let's touch them with our pencil and count. Ready, set, go. 1, 2, 3. How many sides does a triangle have? On this little line right here, we're going to write the number 3. Halfway around and around again. Do you see how my 3 sits on that line? Make sure your 3 is too, okay? Your 3 shouldn't go underneath. Part of growing up is using your eyes to see, no, I shouldn't start down here. That's too close. No, I can't start way up there. That's too far away. Part of growing up is using your eyes to see, where should I start? And then watching as you draw and write. All right, park your pencil. It says, how many shapes are in each row of the graph? Let's count. What are these shapes? Triangles. Count the triangles with me. Take your finger and go, whoop. Touch and count with me. Ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Can we count this one? No triangle there. 5. On this little line, we need to write a 5. Down and around to that bottom line. Give it a hat. Park your pencil. Awesome. Then it says we need to do the next row. Every row, rows go across. What shape is this? Circle. Count with me. Ready, set, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Take your pencil. You're going to write a curly number 6. When you get to the bottom line, you curl up and back. Don't go back here past the 6. If you do that, erase it, please. Park your pencil. And the last shape is a square. Touch and count with me. Ready, set, go. 1, 2, 3. You need to write a 3 on the line. So you're going to go halfway around and around again. We're not done yet. The directions say write the number next to each row. Say, we did that. We did. Then it says color the row with the most. Ooh, it's like a graph. Who has the most? Who's bigger, 5, 6, or 3? Who has the most? What shape has the most? Circle. 6 is the biggest number. And their circles, their pictures go out further. Yeah. So we need to color the row with the most. I want you to take out any color you would like. Please just pick one. I'm just going to pick pink. That's the first one I saw. Just pick one. And all we're going to do is color this row. The whole row of circles. Stay in the line so you're not going up into the triangles and down into the squares. Because if you were at school, I might think these had the most then. That's what you thought, and I'd mark it wrong. All right, I'll give you a little bit more time to finish. I'm big and old and I can color fast and neat. One day you will be able to too. But until then, just color nice and slowly. It says how many circles are on the graph? Do we need to count them again? We could, or we could just look right here. We rewrote the number. How many? What number is that? Curly number 6. Yep, so take your pencil, not your crayon, not a color, and write 6. 6 circles. All right, it says use the weather graph. Number 4. Use the weather graph to answer this question. What type of weather have we had the most often? Draw the symbol. Symbol means picture. So do you remember from math meeting who's had the most? I'll tell you. They're my favorite kind of days. Yeah, sunny days. So what I want you to do is take your pencil and you are going to draw a sunny. Because sunnies had the most. All right, my loves, what you're going to do is ask your grown-up to take a picture of this and upload it into the blue math folder. Thank you for doing such neat and careful work and following along with me in the video. I love you, and I'll see you soon for reading.